Hi.
Hello Dion,
Hi, Sigrid.
it's with you.
How are you?
I'm good today. How about you?
I'm good. Long time no see you.
Yeah,
How about your holiday, Sigrid?
I went to Ngurah Rai Stadium.
Oh, Muraray. Where?
That's it in Denpasar.
Oh, that was.
Yes.
What you doing at the stadium?
I watched a football match over there.
Oh, oh. Are you alone or with your friends?
Yes, I'm alone back there.
Oh, you enjoy it.
Yes, because the team that I support won the game. Back there.
Oh,
How about your
that's
holiday?
great. Hmm. About my holiday, when a month ago, I climbed Mountain Batu.
Matur.
Yes.
Where is that?
That is Kintamani, Bangli.
Oh.
So, mm, I was looking for sunrise.
Hmm.
It is very, very good.
You get there with who? With your friend or your family?
Hmm. No, when I went to Mountain Batur, I with my friends. There is I think 9 people. So I was looking for the sunrise, and it is very very amazing because at the Mountain Batur, when the sunrise, this have a beauty nature, which is very cool. Why don't you try it?
I never tried because yeah, I don't really get the vibes because I never get that.
Okay. I think we can go after this.
Maybe next holiday.
Yes,
This
okay.
semester.
Why not?
Okay.
Oh, what is this? I think not just Mantin Batur. We can Mantin Batu Karu, Mantin Agung. Which very important, very much Mantin in Bali. We can choose which one.
Okay.
Yes.
You started when 1 a.m. or 5 a.m.
Oh, when I start to go Mantin Batur to Ketamani, I start 1 a.m. in the morning. It's very early, but I think it's because I very sleepy and on the street. Aduh. But I'm very spirit because it is the first time I climb the mountain, and there is Mantin Batur. There is over beauty nature in the Bali. So that's why you should try it with me. Okay?
Okay, next holiday.
Yes, that's holiday with me. Okay?
Okay.
I think I want to buy something. I want to go cook or something.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.